Ewo the way omo. Number 4, Australia will do better economically because of rare earth metal importation to the US or exportation to the US. And the US in turn will have a lot of investment in Australia, including deals. So the American say UK air so far, Canada air so far. Now Australia for be into Australia. This year is a good year. Now then dinner the West and also for American say UK economy starts and say on break. Canada for so be go to then dinner Australia for the omo enya sa because say when we say China for na emma we are seeing na the real earth metals and kese pa how na America for nyafi benam there's a tariffs ni trade war na e war America for na China for ntemu America for be focus on Australia and in the sikadodo a omode ko China all the time for real earth metals. So now no they will push everything into Australia. In Australia for ebe import rare earth metals even on be has ekora no aye my say omo mfeni sen kra say rare earth no omatimi mine awie no on be process it. So there will be so many deals between the US and Australia this sika ebe ma Australia for into Australia. I'm telling you say 2026 economically you guys will do very, very, very well.